or a sourcing of these two types of stories, because in your literature there are some of them are sourced from other stories like reflective stories like the Ramayana, and some are the original
Bali,
stories
the
which
story
are
of
like parodies.
The story of Bali.
Yeah. Did you make a distinction in your paper, or you've just
no? Upadhyay, I have mentioned this. He talks about the Magadhan region. It is not one-way influence. It is not one-way influence. At the time of Upanishads, they got getting influenced by the non-violence thoughts of Shramanic cult. Even Shramanic thinking also get influenced from this. Because that is why the Anti-Yajña concept has introduced.
I think that way the first chapter of the Brihadaranyaka is very interesting, because the Ashwamedha itself is reinterpreted. Shankara uses it nicely to advocate his theory, but it's this is the Ashwamedha and that is not the Ashwa. This is the real mental Ashwamedha that you have to sacrifice. It's a very interesting...
And it seems certainly that there was a two-way influence, because...
Because my essay, it only concentrates on the anti-yajna representation.
Does too much of anti-yajna not imply violence? Mathara in his Vritti says, if I am to come to heaven by killing these animals with so much blood and so much dirt and so on, what should I do to go to hell? So obviously there's influence both ways. Yeah.
They also were against sacrifice.
Yeah, that's within the... So the development of this ahimsa concept is part of the
and they don't
culture.
have anything to do with the Upanishads or anything.
Yeah, and my point that if you talk about ahimsa, you have to know what ahimsa is in order to be able to talk about it with authority. And only those who have performed ahimsa and know what it is can say exactly why you should not do it.
But then Mimamsakas say that it is not ahimsa.
Yeah, this is like
like
Sophism. It's Sophism, and it is exactly the argument that the Jainas present to them. If you use a form of an animal made in out of flower dough, isn't that psychologically
Sankalpa Himsa.
Yeah.
The Janna's Yashodhara Charita.
So I think this makes us reflect on our own attitude to things, and in that way very didactic.
And there is like the Buddhism that is practiced everywhere.
Yeah.
Having so much of ahimsa within.
Yeah, and I must say, when I walk in the forest, I'm careful where the ant line is going. I don't just walk over it. Because you hear so much of this when you are busy with Jainism, and it somehow leaves a trace, I think.
In some way there is some,
So, thank you, Priti, so much.
Thank you.